there are different ways to wash your shirt collar stains. Let me just put that one out there. There are different ways, but it is important that you treat. Hi people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith and I'm a personal shopper and fashion enthusiast at TYF's Beauty House. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell notification so that you can get updates once any video drops. Today we are going to be doing something practical. I'm going to be showing you how to wash shirt collars. Last week on my Instagram page I shared a few tips on taking care of shirt collars because they are the life of any dress shirt, and I don't want to bore you with any theoretical thing today, so I have just dropped the link to that particular video in the description box below, so you can check it out later on. But today I want to show you one simple way to wash your dress shirt collar, because dress shirt collars are usually prone to more dirt caused by sweat, by air products, grease, body oil, perfume. So it's usually very difficult to get out their stains. So sometimes you'll see that you have washed your shirt, but when you're about to wear the shirt, you notice that the collar is still looking dirty. So what can we do about this shirt collar stains? That is what we are going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to wash shirt collar stains. Okay, so there are different ways to wash your shirt collar stains. Let me just put that one out there. There are different ways, but it is important that you treat shirt collar stains directly and immediately, apart from the entire shirt. So if you're washing, let's say you're washing using a washing machine, before you throw your shirt into the washing machine using the gentle cycle, just try to treat this particular shirt collar stain first. Okay, so it will make it easy for your entire shirt to be clean all at the same time, because you would have treated the shirt collar stains initially. So today I'm going to be using shampoo to wash the shirt collar stains. And for me, if you check out the video I dropped in the description box, the link that I dropped in the description box, you'll see that I was saying in that video that shirt collar stains can be cleaned using things like your regular liquid detergent of your choice. You can use shampoo, and you can also use liquid dishwash. And for liquid dishwash and shampoo, it makes sense because they are formulated to take out grease from either your hair or your plates. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how I use shampoo to get out shirt collar stains.
Okay guys, so the first thing I want to state now is that this particular shirt is looking like it's not dirty, but I think it's the light or the camera, I don't understand, but it has a little bit of stain. I don't know why it's not reflecting. So anyway, let's get to it. So you add a bit of shampoo to the stain and then you rub in. You can just add a little bit of water to the entire collar. Okay, I think now you can see this thing. Yeah, so you add a bit of water to the entire collar and then you rub that shampoo in. If it's not wet enough, you make it as wet as possible, and then you apply your shampoo and you rub. Like, that's basically how you wash it. It's not like you're scrubbing or anything. You just rub and rub and rub. Okay, so that's what you do. What I also do is, I'm just trying to show you basically how to wet the entire shirt here, to wet the collar, and then you can apply your shampoo directly. If your shampoo is really concentrated, you can dilute it a little bit. Okay, so because there are some shampoos that are really concentrated, so what you now do is you use your hand to apply the shampoo right to the stain, and then you scrub. You use your fingernails, not like you're scrubbing per se, but you are just going to keep rubbing in the shampoo into the dirty part of the collar. Okay, and then you scrub a little bit, no harsh treatment. Okay, and you scrub and scrub and scrub right till you are through with the entire collar. Okay, so all I'm just doing here is to show you how I'm rubbing the shampoo into the shirt. And in the original video, I was lamenting that I forgot to take a before and after picture. So afterwards, you just rinse out. I don't know if you can see the difference. Is cleaner, and then you just rinse out, and your shirt collar is clean, clean. That's it, guys. And there you have it. Your shirt collar is clean, totally clean. I'll probably do another video of a dirty white shirt collar. It's just we get to treat stains early, so we don't have stains sitting in shirt collars in our house. Anyway, so that's it. It's very simple. You can try it and let me know. Now that you have washed your shirt collar, you can now wash your entire shirt, whether you're hand washing. It will be easy to just wash now without having to put so much pressure on the collar. You can also throw it into your machine and wash on gentle cycle, and your shirt will be evenly clean. Let me know what you think, guys.
And that is the end of my tutorial today. I'm going to try my best to bring you more practical videos like today's. Or let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you going to be trying it out? Yeah, just let me know, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.